So recently I had just met up with a friend and she had lumps in her breast. So she asked me what she can do about it. And immediately I told her that you need to apply castor oil, because castor oil will help in breaking down those lumps. And she told me, yeah, castor oil, our family has been using castor oil since ages. So when she was young, she used to live with her grandparents, and her grandparents used to make her drink this castor oil every single month to clear out her stomach. And she remembers that whenever she was sick, whenever she had any bacterial, any viral infection, her grandma would give her castor oil and she would apply castor oil all over her body. And she would tell her that if you do this, it will make you a strong girl, it will boost up your immunity. But now she knows that when you take castor oil breaks down those viruses, those bacteria and germs, and it will also help your body to get rid of those bacteria, those virus out from your body very safely. But as she grew up, as she grew older, she completely stopped practicing those traditional practices and she completely moved away from it. But she remembers how much her grandma used to love castor oil. She would apply castor oil every single night, dedicatedly, without missing any days. She would apply it to her face, her neck, her arms, and many people around her would come up to her and would tell her that your grandma doesn't look like her age. She was 70, but she looked like she was in her 50s. And she told me how once her grandpa had rheumatoid arthritis, and because of that he couldn't stand or he couldn't walk also. So what her grandma did was that she applied castor oil on his knees, on his joints, and within days he could walk, he could stand, and most importantly, because of castor oil, he could play with her. Every single day he would take her to park, he would play with her. But once what had happened was that she fell down and she injured her knees and she got swelling in her knees, on her feet. So what her grandma did was she applied castor oil, and within days the swelling completely went away. It just looked like there was no swelling to begin with. And personally also I've been using castor oil on so many of my patients. If you have fibroids, if you have cysts, it will help in breaking down those fibroids, those cysts. So when you apply castor oil, it goes inside your body very deeply. There is no other oil which can go as deeper as castor oil. And if you have any unnatural growth inside your body, if you have tumors, if you have cancers, if you have fibroids, it will help in breaking them down. So if you have that, you can use castor oil. And how can you use castor oil? So either you can directly apply castor oil onto your skin, but I wouldn't recommend that, because once your skin touches with your bed sheets or any other cloth, it can be very hard to get rid of those castor oil stains. So that's why I would recommend that you keep a separate cloth for castor oil. So you can take a cloth, you can apply castor oil onto that, then you can apply it on any part of your body, be it your arms, your legs or your stomach, or you can take a drop of castor oil and apply it to your belly button area. And also what we can learn from this story is that whatever traditional practices we have been doing since ages, we shouldn't forget them and we should continue doing those traditional practices. I hope you liked this video and you found this video valuable, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.